Damn! So let's talk about a few things here. I'm getting prepped to drop the bottom of the carb out. I don't think I'm actually going to remove the carb. I think I have enough room up in here to work. We'll see. We'll see if I can get it out while it's still just chilling in there. You can see how tight it is, but I think I can get it out. So if I can get the bottom of it out, I should be able to work on it. So without having to remove all this craziness. But we'll see. We'll see where we end up here. That being said, something in the electronics has failed. From here to here, something in the electronics has failed, not allowing the starter button to work. Now the starter button is not getting power. The brake lever is getting power, but it's intermittent, right? And so anyways, that whole system runs all the way back into this massive wiring scheme. I'm not even honestly going to deal with that. What we are going to do, though, is I'm going to install a push-button bypass start, which I will be putting on the inside right here. So I'm preparing to drill my hole, and that is going to be going right there on the inside. So you can see that it'll go like that, and I may actually end up having to move it down lower or into a better space like right there. I think that's actually the most ideal spot right there due to space concerns. So I can put it right there, and all I'm doing is wiring the starter solenoid, which is right here. I'm going to pull that out, and I'm going to attach my wires. So I went and bought some extra wire. I'm going to be attaching my wires to those and creating a start button from the back half of the bike. So without the key, the bike won't start regardless. You have to have the bike for the bike to start. So somebody could sit there and push the button, bike won't start. No matter what, you have to have the key to start the bike. So now, in the future, all you'll have to do is turn the key on, reach down, and just push the button, and the bike will start. So it'll be the same as doing this, but I'll be bypassing the safety switches and all that craziness. You'll just reach down, push the button, and the bike will start, as long as the key's turned on. So that's what we're going to do. So right now, getting ready to drill a hole. Like I said, I previously just discussed this with you. Probably just going to drill a hole about right there, and that's where that starter switch is going to go. So let me get my drill ready. We'll drill that out, and then we'll shove that button through, tighten it down, and then we'll start doing the wiring from there. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have my jumper cables going to it. Those are going to a very large battery. That's my jump pack battery. This has all been installed. I haven't put the screws back in to hold it in place yet, but as you can see, fits right up there perfectly like that. And now you have a push button. So, I'll show you how it works. Key on. Everything powers up. You would hold your brake. In this case, I don't really have to because I have my, there's a zip tie holding the brake at the safety point. But like I said, it doesn't matter. But some bikes may still force you to. This one shouldn't. I should just be able to push this button now and just like that. Now we have a starter button. So this one does not work for whatever reason. All this entire system up here, except for the lights, quit working. But this does, the kill switch does kill it. So that's working, this is working, this is not working, and the safety brake system's not working. But doesn't matter anymore because now we have exactly. So bypass. Now, remember I was telling you it can still start the bike? Without the key though being on, the bike won't start. Nothing will happen. So you don't have to stress that.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.